Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into ADM. First, what you have to do is open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, type down log into ADM. And after you're done, click on the enter option. And from the search results, you have to click on this option that says login. And then you'll get an interface like this of the ADM official homepage. And what you have to do is simply type down your email address as well as your password over here, just like this. And after they're done, you can click on this option. But if you want to remember you log in on this computer, you can click on this option in order to save your login. But if you do not prefer, click back again. And if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, you also have an option that says forgot your password over here. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.